Everybody, it's Rich again from Problem Solved. I'm continuing with my bleach, borax, and baking soda, or BBB pool care method. Taking a sample again below 12 to 18 inches depth from the pool water. And you're going to notice probably, or maybe not, I skipped a couple of days. I'm saving you guys the bore of watching another couple of videos, but I did consistently keep testing. The results was basically what I would expect. If you don't make any changes at all to your pool water, eventually chlorine levels will decrease and the pH will probably decrease as well. That's expected. So we're going to see here with this test, my pH is going to be definitely on the low side because it was trending in that direction. So we'll take a look here in just a minute. You can see the colors there. Chlorine again is on top, total chlorine. That's in the purple range and it's pretty dark, so chlorine is good. That's on the high side. That means it's good. And we're going to leave the chlorine for now. We're going to keep it where it's at. We're not going to add any more chlorine, but you can see the pH. We didn't get a good reading here. The color actually bled, but I know it's low. It was trending low, and I would expect that, you know, being that low, that means we're going to need to raise it. You raise the pH using borax, and my pool's about 14 or maybe 15,000 gallons, and I'm going to use one box. So with those levels, I'm going to add one box and then test again over the next couple of days and see how that change in pH occurs. So I'm showing you here. You simply get the borax. I get mine from Walmart, and you sprinkle it around the entire peripheral or edge of the pool. Mine's rectangular, and again it's the 16 by 32, so I got a lot of distance to cover. But you know, the whole idea is you want to sprinkle it as evenly as possible anytime you're adding a powder, and you don't want any clumps. I know this was a new box I just purchased. You know, usually over time it'll clump, but basically add the borax and then test over the next couple of days. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how that chemistry changes. Thanks again for watching, sticking with Problem Solved. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, please comment, like, and definitely subscribe. And appreciate your time and support. And I'll definitely see you on the next one.